Yes, sir. Welcome back, Gunners, YouTubers, and subscribers. So in case you live under a rock, you didn't see the live, I don't know what happened. We've got, the giveaway is over. Exhibit K is going to William in Connecticut. Second place went to Philadelphia. Third place went to Connecticut. Fourth place went to Pennsylvania. Fifth place went to Massachusetts. Sixth place went to Camden, New Jersey. And seventh place went to Oakland, California. Welcome back, my loved ones. I missed you. I'm trying to generate a bunch of content for you. So sit back and enjoy the show. Today we're traveling. We're taking Manolo to finally get wrapped. It's all prepped. It's ready. So before we do that, I'd like to powder coat the wheels. So I'm just going to take off these wheels now. So as the car is being wrapped, I can send the wheels to get powder coated. You keeping up with me? We got a lot of shit going on here. Did you like? Did you comment something positive? Most importantly, did you subscribe? Let's start gunning.
On the dangerous, ain't too many get bang with us. 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 Ain't too many get bang with us.
All right, I got to swap these wheels here. So I'm going to jack these up. I've got some Steelies up. Hello. Your time is coming soon. I've got some Steelies upstairs. I'm going to swap these wheels now and just get ready. I got the trailer, and guess what? I still got my toes. And look at this niggas. Look at these niggas, man. Unbelievable. Let me swap these wheels over. I think Seb is coming with me today. I don't know. He said he's got no work, so who knows? He'll probably come with me on the ride. He probably won't. Pause. Let me get these wheels situated. Let me get the car loaded up, and I'll kick it back with you guys in a few once I'm on the road. Failure. Caliper's too big. 14-inch rims. It looks like we're gonna have to. That's it. It rubs. So we're gonna have to put the decograms back on. That's fine. Maybe Wrap Specialties can put the car on jack stands. I don't know, we'll figure it out. But or maybe I can just do the back. Who knows? You know what? Let me just get this car in the damn trailer, Seb. This is a rare sighting, ladies and gentlemen. This shit's been a racetrack. So 87 at 10 o'clock in the morning. Sweet. We're going right over the bridge. Man, got really lucky with beating traffic. So I don't know if you guys noticed earlier in the vlog, I was trying to switch the wheels because I wanted to take them to get powder coated as the car was getting wrapped. I've got a real nice vision and a special color I'd like to make the Koenig wheels. But unfortunately, those Steelies didn't fit on the front, and then I would have to really do some weird stuff. So most likely, hopefully, I can send them out, leave the car on jack stands at Wrap Specialties. If not, I'll come back home, put the car on the lift, and then send the wheels to get coated, and then show you guys the car. But for the most part, we're I cannot believe this, guys. Look at this. Look at this. There's no traffic. Let me not jinx it. Let me focus on driving. We made it here in one piece, Seb. Thank God. We got here super quick. Our appointment was for 12 o'clock. It's like 10:40. Again, was expecting way more traffic going across the bridge and heading into Jersey. But fortunately, we didn't have to deal with much. I'm going to bring the car down, go inside, show you guys a little bit of what's going on, and then speak to Nick and see what his game plan is for the car. But just bear with me. Let me get it off the trailer, and I'll be right back. We're leaving Manolo here. They definitely packed with work here. But, you know, again, this is some of the stuff like these guys do here at Wrap Specialties. They just do the entire car. They do small details of stuff like that. These guys have been wrapping some of the fastest and dopest race cars, so that's why I selected to bring Manolo here. I would have loved to use Mike. Unfortunately, Mike is like a one-man army. He's swamped, so I'd rather just bring it here. It gets knocked out, and we'll see where it goes from there. I'm gonna go inside, kind of show you guys around. They're pretty busy. You know how it is. Nobody really wants a camera stuffed in their face, so I'll be right back. Yeah, so we're inside here. Again, they have, I mean, plenty of different material to wrap cars in. This looks like a 63 they're about to do. Is this wrapped already?
Yes, this is wrapped in abroad.
Oh, nice. Expel? Yeah. Sweet. This is also the place I get my stickers done, so you guys always see the high quality stickers that we send you is because Wrap Specialties. They really do a great job here, man. I mean, my boy's working on something right now. A lot of artwork goes on here, different color panels you can pick from. These are some of the other race cars that they've wrapped in the past before. And then just, I mean, there's probably so much money in here, it's ridiculous. But again, really won't get to see much today because, you know, finally just dropping off the car. But hopefully I can come back for some progress. As you can see, some of my other stickers are here, but these guys do a great job. Gonna chop it up with the guys here and figure out exactly what scheme they have planned. So the car, I will give you this hint. It's gonna be wrapped one solid color and then wrapped another color, if that makes sense. If it doesn't, I messed up. Rare sighting, come on. Rare sighting, folks. Seb, what a beautiful car, right? Okay, heading to Quick Strip to see if we can pick out some colors for these rims. Just waiting for Mike to call me back. I hope I don't show up unannounced, you know what I mean? You hate to do that. But we're making way, we're making way.
So I loaded this thing up myself on a flat trailer with this thing, the dust collector.
Holy shit.
For the amount of dust that was coming off the trailer, because my boy didn't really clean it out yet.
Oh, so you were just driving.
Over the outer bridge, this motherfucker was staying a half mile back because it's on sand. that was flying. I'm like, yo, I'm gonna get locked up today.
Hey, what's up, Gunners? Back here, we're with Mike at Quick Strip. This guy's been around. How long you been around, Mike?
Quick Strip's been around maybe 30 years. I've been doing coding for 11, 12 years.
Yeah, so his old man used to do it before, Quick Strips. So he restores older vehicles. How you doing? Are you the head honcho?
No, he is.
Oh,
He is.
I go pick up the lunch, that's all I do.
So father and son operation here, but I remember seeing Mike do work on cars way back in the days, like when Englishtown was popping. And he's been around for a long time for a reason, but you guys can come on in here and see this operation.
Making a video.
You got your famous
Let me
face
go
on
get my
today?
tie on.
Yeah, you look sharp, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, we're here.
For 73, what, 74?
74? No way.
Man, no grace.
God bless you. I got more grades than you. Yeah, but we're here to pick out a color for the rims for Manolo, and just gonna go through some things. But I don't want to show you guys the color yet, so we're probably just take a nice shop tour with Mike. But this guy, when it comes to powder coating, this is what he's known for.
Yeah, I've been making some reels when I can, but it helps. But like, I don't need any more business, bro. Like, once I get help, yeah, for sure. But
Yeah. Hopefully you'll find someone.
hopefully my boy comes soon, cause like, if I could do it all by myself, why do I really need that money? So I was messing around yesterday, like, my boy saves me 2 hours a day, 10 hours a week, 1 year, 5,200 hours, whatever it was. It came out to 43 free days. Like, if at 2 hours a day, if I plan my shit, you know. So hopefully.
Very good thinking.
Then you get like cooked in the oven for fucking an hour and a half.
Yeah. So they gotta get to 400, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna pre-cook them. I'm just gonna cook them.
So what's pre-cooking?
Just to get all the like oils out.
Yeah.
Because when the wheels are made, it gets cooled down in like a mold, you know. So like these wheels are good, like cast aluminum. Other shit that's like shitty.
So how when you pre-cook them, it goes to 400 also?
Like 450 for a little bit.
Yeah.
Just want to get it hot. So like if you don't get it hot once, and then you get it hot with the coating on it, it fucks up. Fuck. Yep. He was here 8:30.
Degrees, called juvie. That's hotter than the sauna, folks. Hotter than the sauna. Right there. Get it going. Alright, we're almost ready to pick a color for these wheels so Mike can order the powder coating. But man, this guy, I tell you one thing, if anybody's looking for a job, if you're in Jersey, if you're in Carteret, this dude's willing to pay. Yo, bro, nobody wants to work. We went to Tri-State, they're looking for work. You got Mike's looking for work. There's money out here. Bro, there's money out here, bro. I mean, you probably make $1,000 with this guy a week, $4 grand a month, chilling. Taping this, that. Find this dude, bro. Mike at Quick Strip, he's looking for good, responsible help. He's ready to pay.
Something junior dragster grads looking to make a name for themselves in the big show.
That's how you pick your colors and sprays the Coors cans. Pops, these are all your beers?
You know what? I never had one beer.
In your life?
No,
Oh.
in one of these.
Oh, one of these.
In the final round.
I never even had a beer out of the new style bottle.
Oh, okay.
I'm old.
Old school.
And when they drank these, I wasn't invited.
So now it's just the coffee, right?
Yep, that exactly.
Cup of Joe. That's awesome. Well, guys, back at the garage. We got back in pretty good time. We didn't hit any traffic. Today's been a great day regarding fucking traffic, man. It was awesome. I'll catch you guys again tomorrow because I dropped off the trailer at U-Haul. I'm going to have to pick it back up at 9 o'clock in the morning, and then we're going to deliver Exhibit K to William all the way up in Connecticut. So roughly he's about 2 hours away from me. Can't wait to meet him. Can't wait to see his reaction to the car. Can't wait to see him drive the car. But yeah, congratulations to William, bro. God bless you. I'll be bringing you this car tomorrow. But for the most part, again, just trying to get some kind of content out there for you guys to, you know, basically be entertained and stay in the loop. The Manolo thing is a bit of a secret because I really want to surprise you. With the color rims, the livery scheme, all of that. So I appreciate you guys watching today's vlog. Thank you for Seb for coming by and helping me out today. It means a lot. And I guess I'll catch you guys on the next one. Like, comment, subscribe. Keep going.